Okay, so what you need to do is just simply open up Cash App. Once you're inside Cash App, what you need to do is just simply go to your information tab and just simply go over there. Once you're inside your account information tab, you just need to scroll down until you see the option of security privacy. Press on that. Once you're inside security privacy, scroll down a bit until you see the option of identity verification. Press on that and you need to verify right here. So you need to give them your personal info, like, confirming your details that only you would know, and just give it to them and they would confirm the personal details. So once this is done, what you need to do is you just need to give your date of birth and then last four digits of your social security number. Once you give all that and then enter your current address. After entering your address, it says into verified. Now what you need to do is just simply press on done after that. So once you've pressed done, it will ask you to your photo ID. You just need to give your photo ID to them and just need to take a photo of your ID or face to continue. Just press on continue after that again and take a photo of your ID. Just it could be any ID, driver's license, state ID, US passport, permanent resident card, just anything. Just take a photo of it and send them. So I'm just gonna send my driver's license ID. And yeah, I'm just gonna do this and I've sent the photo and it says checking your photos. So yeah, you just gotta wait until the process is done. And here as you can see, now we gotta take a photo of ourselves. You just need to press on continue again. Once you do that, here it will say checking your photos once you upload them in. And here as you can see, it says identity verified. Means my Cash App is simply verified and I can just move on doing my payment process. And yeah, now it got fully ticks and I'm done. So hope you find it useful and I'll see you soon.